This is Dr. Deepali Gupta, your Pediatrics faculty at INI-CET. 19 subjects, 19 subject-wise revisions. Yes, you heard it right. Hello dear INI-CET 2023 aspirants. INI-CET is coming up with an exciting new series called the Rapid Recap, which will cover 19 subjects in 19 days. This revision series will cover all the high-yielding and high-probability topics for the INI-CET 2023 examination. India's top faculty in the 19 subjects included in the MBBS curriculum will talk comprehensively about the previously and frequently asked topics to sync your preparation with only what is important for the exam. But wait a second. What do you have to pay for all this? Absolutely nothing. This series will be aired exclusively on the INI-CET YouTube channel and it will be totally free of cost. So, if you are serious about scoring high in the upcoming INI-CET 2023 examination, then this series can be a game-changing blueprint of success for you. This rapid recap will not just help you crack but conquer INI-CET 2023. Dates will be announced soon, so subscribe today to the INI-CET YouTube channel to stay updated. Thank you.